If you don't like coconut, I understand. You probably wouldn't even click on the video if you didn't. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy, quick breakfast that's keto friendly and diabetic friendly, made with coconut. Let's get busy. So the first thing we have here is a half a cup of coconut milk. You can also use almond milk if you prefer. But since we're using shredded coconut, I'm going to use coconut milk. Then I have a quarter cup of shredded coconut. We're going to dump it in there. We got 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. We also have a tablespoon of almonds. And then to top it all off, we have 5 macadamia nuts. Now here you can use any nut that you would like. Just mix it together, chop them up. To me, the consistency doesn't matter too much. And that's it. There you have it. That simple, that easy. It's hard to believe. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Then we're going to dig in. Now this breakfast might not be for everybody. If you don't like coconut, I understand. You probably wouldn't even click on the video if you didn't. But we have 35 grams of fats, we have 10 grams of protein, and about 15 carbs, and about 300 calories. So this hits all the numbers that I need to be for when it comes to being keto, and it also falls within that diabetic area as well. So give this a try, let me know what you think. I kind of like it myself. I eat it every morning. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this and you want more keto and diabetic recipes, hit that follow, hit the like, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Until next time, have a great day.